Okay, Merry Christmas. Not a problem. Enrichment, dito tayo sa galvanic cells, oxidation reactions, and galvanic cells. So for the following oxidation reactions, identify the half reactions and label them as oxidation reduction. So medyo mahina kayo dito. Nasusunod na babalance niyo yung oxidation reduction minsan, but di nyo na-identify talaga proper yung oxidation reduction. But anyway, sige lang. Anyway, hindi naman ako magtatanong siguro nito. I will not be asking this during quizzes. Things, but, so for you to understand more, kailangan nakaka-solve kayo ng mga ganitong problem. Identify the half reactions for letter A. You can see that copper becomes copper 2 positive. So meaning, nawalan siya ng electron. Kasi nga, nag-positive siya. So therefore, yung copper to copper 2 plus would be a loss of electron. So loss of electron is Leora. That would be loss of electron is an oxidation. So therefore, letter A, your copper going to copper 2 plus is an oxidation. And your nickel 2 plus to going to nickel 0, that would be a gain of electron. Nag-acquire siya ng electron. From 2 positive, nawalan siya ng positive, nag-0 siya. So basically, it acquired an electron. So meaning, this is reduction, nickel 2 plus to nickel. Copper to copper 2 plus is a oxidation. That is loss of electron. Okay? Madali lang siguro. If I have fractions and label them. Identify. So, if you want to write, madali lang yan.